Morteratsch. Next stop, Morteratsch.
Each time I come back, I feel like I'm coming back to someone, not just something. Like seeing an old friend. Many things that are now part of our world and our reality, we cannot hear them directly. We don't even notice them because they're kind of out of our human scale. With hydrophones, with contact microphones, we can connect to these things that are happening in a different scale, but that are still in a direct connection to us and are maybe suffering because of us. We wanted to document this landscape to give us an idea of what it sounds like inside a glacier. Very complex, alive sounds. It has something really magic. It also, of course, has something sad, something violent. When you look at this gigantic mass of ice, it's hard to get like a personal relationship to it. Listening its inner sounds, it's almost like auscultating a body. Every time I drop the microphones in its melting waters or against this ice, I feel this bodily connection. You can zoom in your mind to that particular air bubble that is clicking in a very rhythmical way, and then you focus on the deep drone that you almost forgot about. You can really take a journey in your attention. There's also the sadness because you know that all these sounds are disappearing right now. Of course, melting is something natural for glaciers, but the problem is that nothing new is coming back. The zone where it has just recently melted is really like a desert. The more alive the glacier seems, the more the glacier is actually dying. All the little air bubbles that are released are maybe 100 or 1,000 years old, and they make just a little plop sound, and then they're gone forever. This project is also an attempt to conserve these very last sounds of the glacier. I like to see these sounds that I'm recording as a form of language. And so for me, these are stories that the ice is telling. In our world, we're also silencing these voices of mountains, of glaciers, of rivers, of animals. They're not like part of the discussion, you know. Glaciers have become really the symbol of climate change, but when you look at how the discussion about glaciers is, they talk mainly about resources. Through the idea of voice, we could also see it more as a kind of person. In German, there's this word Stimmrecht, which means the right of the voice, which means the right to vote. So I think a glacier should also have that, right? It should have a voice in the discussion. It could drastically change our way of perceiving the world and shaping our actions. If everything goes wrong, the glaciers are not there anymore in 100 years. And we can only imagine what this valley here will sound like when it's not there anymore. So it's almost like the last cry of the glacier in this valley.